Mr. Second, the things that I want to highlight is I've learned the whole process, the whole project management. I think a year ago on Udemy. The problem, that issue that I've received from this Udemy course is that I can't remember anything at all because they just deliver the course like reading the whole textbook or something. So your delivery method is something which I can sort of appreciate. I can easily remember the key points, and I still can memorize it somehow after reading through this content. So that's what I would like to highlight here. I wish all of the participants best of luck in the next endeavor. Thank you.
Overall, I really appreciate the contents and also the way you deliver in the class, and the way you give the exam tips during the class is quite useful. Yeah, the part that I'm struggling is I got experience on Agile, so until there I have no issue. But then risk management and the cost estimating, I need to work a bit on that part. And also, at my workplace, I don't have those experience, so I don't know how to use, like, okay, those planning, this is how it should be done. Templates can be found on our LMS or PMI or website. Then in reality, I need to learn how to really implement and apply those.
It was good. Even though it was not a fast track, but seemed like it was a fast track because 4 weeks seemed for PMP, like 8 classes seem very less, to be frank. It's vast, it's kind of an ocean because going previously it wasn't like that, but when we went through that classes, right, we could easily identify 8 weeks seems very less for that training. So I mean, yeah, but overall it was very good. Like for me, it was very good. Thank you so much for that, and thanks everyone. We got to know each other.
Even minor things you learn or some things
Yes.
that's good, just amazing. Oh, I didn't know that. Is good. I'm happy if some
Correct.
things.
Yeah. Yes.
No, I think it's good. Even I have a lot experience in traditional project approach. I think I can got a lot of information and knowledge here, and I hope that everybody in this class can pass the exam and can adopt or adapt some of knowledge to the current and future works.
For me, it's difficult, and I mean, for the waterfall and predictive way of working, because I have a totally different mindset, and all my experience was with Agile and Scrum. So I will need to go through all of the lessons again, but in general, it was a good experience, and thank you very much.
It was great for me too, and it is more difficult than I expected from the beginning. Like there are like so many things, many steps to remember. But yeah, I'll try to complete the PMP exam within this year. So yeah, I'll to join the fast track and also try to like self-study everything.